Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever experienced the frustration of trying to put your automatic transmission car in reverse, only to find that it won't move? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the causes behind this issue and the remedies to fix it. We'll explore the possible causes behind this problem and provide you with some remedies to help you get back on the road. So, let's dive in. Segment 1, Transmission Fluid Issues. One of the primary reasons your automatic transmission car may refuse to go in reverse is related to transmission fluid. Let's discuss a few potential causes and their remedies. 1. Low transmission fluid level. Check your transmission fluid level using the dipstick. If it's below the recommended level, it can affect the proper functioning of the transmission, including engaging reverse gear. Simply add the recommended fluid to the appropriate level. 2. Dirty or contaminated transmission fluid. Over time, transmission fluid can become dirty or contaminated, leading to issues with gear engagement. Consider having a transmission fluid flush and filter replacement performed by a professional to ensure clean and optimal fluid circulation. Segment 2, Shift solenoid problems. Another common cause of a car not going in reverse is related to shift solenoids. Let's explore a couple of potential issues and their remedies. 1. Malfunctioning shift solenoid. Shift solenoids control the flow of transmission fluid and are responsible for gear engagement. If a shift solenoid becomes faulty or fails, it can prevent your car from shifting into reverse. Consult a professional mechanic to diagnose and replace the malfunctioning solenoid if necessary. 2. Electrical connection issues. Sometimes, poor electrical connections to the shift solenoids can disrupt their proper functioning. Check the electrical connections and wiring harnesses associated with the shift solenoids. Ensure they are clean, secure, and free from corrosion. Repair or replace any damaged connections as needed. 3. Faulty transmission selector sensor. The transmission selector sensor tells the transmission which gear you've selected. If this sensor is faulty, it can send the wrong signal to the transmission, which can prevent it from going into reverse. If the transmission selector sensor is faulty, it will need to be replaced. This is a relatively simple job that can be done by a mechanic. Segment 3, Mechanical problems. 1. Worn clutch or torque converter. The torque converter is responsible for transferring power from the engine to the transmission. If it's faulty, it can cause your car to not move in reverse. Similarly, a worn-out clutch or torque converter can prevent your car from shifting into reverse. In this case, it's best to consult a professional mechanic who can diagnose the issue and replace the faulty components if necessary. 2. Faulty shift linkage. The shift linkage connects your gear shifter to the transmission. If it becomes misaligned or damaged, it can prevent proper engagement of reverse gear. Inspect the linkage for any signs of wear or misalignment and have it repaired or replaced if needed. 2. Damaged gear teeth. Over time, the gear teeth responsible for reverse gear engagement can wear down or become damaged. If this is the case, a transmission rebuild or replacement may be necessary. Consult a professional mechanic for a thorough inspection and appropriate action. 3. Faulty transmission valve body. The transmission valve body is responsible for controlling the flow of transmission fluid through the transmission. If it's faulty, it can cause your car to not move in reverse. To fix this issue, you'll need to have your transmission valve body replaced by a qualified mechanic. There are a few things you can do to prevent your automatic transmission from not going in reverse. Check your transmission fluid level regularly. Your car's owner's manual will tell you how often you should check your transmission fluid level. Get your transmission serviced regularly. Your car's owner's manual will also tell you how often you should get your transmission serviced. This will help to keep your transmission fluid clean and prevent problems from developing. Avoid overloading your car. Overloading your car can put extra stress on your transmission, which can lead to problems. Drive smoothly. Avoid harsh acceleration and braking, as this can also put extra stress on your transmission. So, there you have it. The causes behind why your automatic transmission car won't go in reverse and the remedies to fix it. Remember to always consult a qualified mechanic if you're unsure about any issues with your car's transmission. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it and subscribe to our channel for more content. We will see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.